Well, on ground at CII Andhra Pradesh Partnership Summit, I am in Visakhapatnam in South India, where I am experiencing a lot of technological advancements right here, and something fun, innovative partnership between GOIC Foundation and Andhra Pradesh Tourism Board. Right here is a VDR experience where I'm going to put this on and get inside an ocean and experience some virtual reality swimming, which, by the way, I cannot do back in Delhi right now because of the weather. So come along with me on this experience.
We are projecting our 7 tourism hubs basically, and Vizag, Visakhapatnam is one of the hubs with amazing potential. Now that Vizag is on world map now, recognized by everyone, so we want to project, pleasure, brand it as a pleasure center where business and also leisure is there. We have Araku nearby, we have all the Buddhist circuit nearby, and temple tourism, beach circuit, everything is close by. So Vizag has that potential.
Great. And how are you going to let people experience this on ground when they're around touring the city?
Yeah. So for this, we are tying up with these private partners. With private partnership, we are trying to put in few kiosks along the beach side and also in few destinations where you can't really get to touch these ASI monuments. Instead, they can experience this in very close view and also know the history of that part as well. So that's one concept. And so we are trying to develop few destinations where there is real potential. For example, it comes in 6 verticals like adventure tourism, temple tourism, Buddhist tourism, eco and nature tourism. Like that, we have certain verticals where we are trying to pick in best possible destinations and experiences and put it in VR and have these kiosks in certain places, and so that people can experience and get intrigued to go to the destinations to experience it personally.
Okay, great. Let's have a look and see what it actually looks like.
It's like a shipwreck. This is a very basic thing, but they are trying to build on it because of time constraints. They couldn't get to that extent, but we are very hopeful that in given time they'll come out with the best possible thing.
Thank you, Padma.